Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'd like to share a few tips on how to build a transitional capsule wardrobe if you are petite. Starting with the first tip, which is to work with the items you already own. For example, I love wearing white tops in summer. In fact, this one has been on a heavy rotation during the last few months. And since it's made of linen, it's breathable and so lovely to wear. That's why I love it so much. So a simple thing like changing the color of your bag when styling an outfit and adding a darker color blazer will instantly change the overall look and make the outfit more appropriate for cooler season. If you watched my previous video, you already know that as a petite, we should carry bags proportional to our size. Printed shirts might be a great way to get creative when putting together a transitional outfit. Pair them with mid-rise or high-rise jeans if you are into jeans, or opt for high-waisted pants for a more tailored look. They can help raise your waistline, elongate your body, and create the illusion of longer legs and a taller frame. Black pants are my wardrobe staple. I've been wearing them non-stop since the first day they arrived. In fact, it's a pair of custom pants that I designed together with dress art, completely online. Here is a quick glimpse of the process where I tried on a mock-up pants first, then selected fabrics and finally received the final product that was delivered straight to my home. What a great service! I often go for monochromatic outfits, light shades in spring and summer and dark in fall in winter. In fact, wearing the same color from head to toe can create a streamlined look and make you appear taller. So instead of all white outfits that I love so much, I would go for dark color blazer or cardigan if I style transitional outfits. Just throw a striped jumper over your shoulders to create a more interesting look. If you like all black outfits, do not hesitate to add a pop of color and make it look more interesting and more personal. If you have invested in red color clothes or accessories this summer, don't put them away, since the red color is the trend for fall and winter. I have this button-up shirt for years, but I usually wear it in summer only, and I'm so excited to create full outfits with it this year too. Waist-cinched silhouettes work well for petite girls. There are a number of ways to create an hourglass silhouette and draw attention to your waist. And the easiest way might be is just to cinch a belt. If you purchased an empire waist dress this summer, it's a great investment and a wonderful item to create a transitional outfit. Just pair it with a trench or elongated blazer. Opt for pointed toe shoes. If it's high heels, it's even better, since it will help lengthen the body. But if you're not into heels, that's absolutely fine too. Pointed toe flats will do the same job. Finding the right neckline is vital for petite girls. V-neck, scoop, U-neckline, turtleneck, or even a square neckline work pretty well. These necklines lengthen the neck area, providing the illusion of more length on the body overall. Moreover, scoop neckline is really on trend now. If you like patterns, it's better to go for small patterns, such as small polka dots or vertical lines, as large prints can be overwhelming on our small frame. Generally, vertical stripes can make you seem taller, while horizontal stripes can make you look wider. So consider your vertical proportions. Speaking about vertical stripes, I've been wearing this shirt non-stop. It's a great investment if you build a capsule wardrobe. It looks great when paired with dress on holidays or with jeans and blazer for a cooler season. So when choosing a blazer, opt for a structured and well-fitted one. Be careful with oversized blazers, as it might be too overwhelming for our petite frame. And I hope you guys found these tips useful, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and it will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.